Hey, what's up, Holochain coin holder? First of all, I will tell you, my friends, I have two surprises for all my Holochain holders. The first surprise, I think you will, my friends, note to in the thumbnail, my friends, to the very big event and the very huge explosion is coming soon, my friend, in the 1st November. But the second surprise is also, my friends, something like that. As you can see, my friend, this time the price is totally increasing. You can see here, so especially it's very good, my friend, for short-term investor. As you can see, my friend, they will suddenly starting moving upward. You can see from this point, and I can't expect they will move upward like that, but absolutely you can say this is very good and very surprised, my friend, for short-term investor. So remember, brothers, to win a holder or stop selling, then the coin is completely go to the moon. But I am 100% sure, my friends, so this time they are stop selling because the price is moving upward, and when the price will starting pumping up, then definitely the holder are stop selling and they are starting holding. So therefore holochain price will more and more increasing. All right, so if we check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart, what's going on in last 24 hours, this is very important now for everyone. So in last 24-hour, holochain will take a very huge jump, 13.32%, my friend. They will take a very huge jump, very huge, very good profit. And the 1st November, my friend, what is the big surprise, my friend? Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. Hope you will subscribe. Just and only you will never need, my friends, to research Twitter, Instagram, everywhere, my friend. You will just and only need to watch my 2-minute video I research for you, my friend. But just and only you subscribe this channel. All right, thank you so much, my friends. The holochain price, my friend, absolutely will be increasing in the 1st November because the big event is coming soon, and the CEO of, my friend, holochain personally tweet now we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So I hope, my friend, if they will starting collaboration, then I hope they will make you a millionaire and give you the very huge profit. So don't starting selling. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will make you a millionaire. But if you are stop selling, then 100% the price will more increasing. So I hope, my friends, you will also starting holding and stop selling. But kindly please share your opinion in a comment box to what we will need to do, my friends, to get a profit. I already shared now, my friends, my opinion. So therefore please you also share now and like video. Please, if you like these videos, like and subscribe this channel for more this type videos.